Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I will show you how you can see your blocked messages on your phone. So the first thing you have to do is open your message section right here. And as you can see, we have this option at the top right corner with these three dots. Just go forward and press that and go to settings. And right here you have to go to the block numbers and spam. So you have right here two options, block numbers and blocked messages. You want to go to this option, blocked messages. And right here you will be showing a list of the messages you have blocked on your phone. As you can see right here, I do not have any blocked messages, but if you go forward and block a message, let's see. So let's say I want to choose this one right here. I'm just going to open it. Hit the three dots right here, and we have this option, block number. So after you've done that, you can go back to this section, blocked messages, and right there you can see, as I've been telling you, the messages that you have been blocked from your phone mobile. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.